week today is which hoop to pick when you are embroidering. Most machines come with a 4x4, 5x7 or a 6x10 inch frame. Some machines have larger frames, but these are the standard frames. So when you're embroidering a 4x4, use your 4x4 inch hoop. It is not advised to use your 6x10 inch hoop as a shortcut method to quickly stitch 3 or 4 4x4 inch designs at once. The reason being is that the fabric in the hoop is not always very stable because it is a larger embroidery field and you get pull on the hoop, which means that your first design will stitch beautifully, and then by the time you get to the last design, the designs will pull and your designs will go off registration. So unless it is digitized for this hoop, rather use the appropriate hoop for the design size. So 4x4 designs in your 4x4 inch hoop, 5x7 inch designs in your 5x7 inch hoop, and 6x10 inch in your 10 inch hoop. We hope you enjoyed our tip.